Welcome back to part 10 of the Stealth Silverado project. Today we are dialing in the truck's face by wrapping the headlight bezels. The front end is what people notice first, so the precision here has to be absolutely surgical. Now, a lot of guys ask if you can wrap plastic pieces. The answer is yes, as long as they're painted from the factory like these frames. But notice what Alfred does first. He's taping off the actual headlight lenses. That keeps the satin black vinyl from sticking to the lights while he handles the positioning. It's a simple pro tip that saves massive headaches. Because these bezels have sharp, visible angles right at eye level, attention to detail is everything. You have to feed the material into the corners without overstretching it. Once it's laid perfectly, Alfred hits it with a mandatory post-heat to lock that adhesive memory into place so it survives the brutal South Florida sun. Watch till the end for that close-up final view. Clean, seamless, and professional. This updated used workhorse is getting closer to completion and will be up for sale very soon. If you or someone you know needs a rock-solid truck in Miami, hit us up now. Go to vtwinskins.com to see our full line of over 330 premium color PPF options. DM us credit for your free 2026 guide and a $250 voucher, and subscribe to Alfred Wraps on YouTube.
Gotta try